You may search your desired product from the market option or the search box. Or you can also search your product from Shop by Category option. Click on Shop by Category and select your required product. Let's select printers as an example. List of all products with the matching title will be listed in the search page. Various filters are available on the left hand side. Under Administrative Filter, you can see Intent of Buying and select Consignee option. Choose Intent of Buying option if objective is to go for bid or RA. You will be able to browse through all products in the market without any restriction. Moreover, you can edit or add quantities and consignees while creating bid. Hence, you can start with single consignee and single quantity. Please note, in case buyer selects bid or RA as intent of buying, then they will be asked to select a value for golden parameters in the category. Choose PAC option if you want to buy a specific OEM product. Click on Select Consignee. This will give you a pop-up to enter the number of quantity required for this item. You can also select different consignees for the same order. MSE filter. To make procurement from MSE seller, you can click on MSE filter. System will show all the registered MSE sellers. To make procurement from startup seller, you can click on startup filter. System will show all the registered startup sellers. To reduce the delivery period and improve the order processing, products can be searched by seller's location. Location can be searched by PIN code, district and state-wise. Product can now be chosen from highly rated sellers using the seller rating filter. Buyer may also apply financial filter to search sellers by annual turnover. Make and model filter is available for PAC buying. Product specification filter allows you to search the products as per the required specification. There are two types of parameters listed under product specification filter, that is golden parameter and others. List with yellow color border on the left side are defined as golden parameter. Golden parameters refer to the general specification available for products which impact their pricing. If you choose a value for golden parameter, only products with the same value or above will appear in the search list. After applying all the desired filters, you can see your filtered market. Least priced product determined solely based on the golden parameters. To get the best match for your search, use sort by filter like best match, price low to high, etc. Buyer may click on star ratings to see the parameters on which vendors get rated. To view vendor assessment report of the seller, buyer may click on assessed icon. By clicking on the icon as shown in the screen, buyer will be able to view the incident management history. Click on the product to view more details of the particular product. By clicking on price trend icon, buyer will be able to view the last 6-month price of that product. Compare icon provides you the option of price crawling to other e-commerce websites. Report this product option provides you a facility to raise an incident against the product in case of any issue. Before adding any product to the cart, select your consignee location and provide the quantity required for that location. Also, by clicking on Add More option, Multiple consignee locations can be selected. Click on Search. After applying the required filters, let's select required product and click on Add to Cart. Now, product is successfully added to the shopping cart and this product will remain in your cart for 10 days. To proceed further, click on Proceed to Checkout. Click on Confirm. Now you can review your shopping cart again. Click on Direct Purchase. Click on Continue to generate the demand. Under Financial Details, select your payment authority and enter the designations of the officials. Click on Choose File and select the financial approval and upload the file. This should be a PDF file. Click on Continue. Review the terms and conditions and click on Accept and Save. Now, as you can see in the screen, your contract, sanction order and financial details are generated. Click on Verify. You will receive an OTP on registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on Verify OTP. You will be able to view on the screen that your contract has been